Just hear me out. You and Toothless came together for a very specific reason at a very specific time. If you hadn't shot him down, I mean, think about where you would be. Think about where we would all be.
Come on, give me something to shoot at. Give me something to shoot at.
Typical.
Hey, Hiccup, did you know that the sneezewort bush can grow up to 3 feet tall with a hairy stem and serrated leaves?
No, I did not know that, Fishlegs. But my life is now complete with that knowledge. Haddock! You finished making me that golden axe? Yeah, it's almost done. I've been working around the clock.
Well, make the clock bigger. It's my betrothal gift for Astrid, and it has to be perfect.
Snot loud! How are ya? Oh, I've been hearing fantastic dragon-killing stories about you.
Ha ha ha! Stoic, you are so funny. What can I say? Some of us just have the knack, and some of us just don't. Mm-hmm. Snot loud!
Speaking of dragon-killing, the time has come, son. The time for you to go out and finally get that first kill.
But...
Don't want to hear it. You've had plenty of excuses over the years. Now it's time for action. You will not return without a dragon's head under your arm.
Dad?
No. Shh. Are we clear?
You will not return without a dragon's head under your arm. Are we clear? Don't know why killing a beast that's minding its own business suddenly makes you a man, but that's how it's done, I guess. A night fury? Snotlout would go crazy. So would my dad, so would everyone. Ah!
Thor's hammer. Is that my son on a dragon?
A night fury, no less.
We've got to get in there.
Over here! Come on, big guy! Come on!
Hiccup! Hiccup!
Ah! Ah!
They fit together, so the two of you can fly. Seems like you're into that sort of thing.
I guess you and I are stuck together now.
This dragon saved my son. In doing so, he saved me. Saved us all. I declare that the ongoing war against the dragons is over!